Okay, how to know your sensor is not working? So basically you go close to the car in front, okay, and you press the sensor button, press. So you see, after that you get an exclamation mark. So you keep on pressing. So you see the two sensors are working, but the sensor on the right is not working. Can you see that? So high possibility the two sensors at the right is faulty. So we got to scan it. So that's why you got the exclamation mark. So all the values of the sensors are going to the module is not detected because one sensor is not working. Okay guys, so after plugging in the OCD down here and from the computer, the fault code comes out and it precisely says this sensor is spoiled. And you can see there is a dent on the sensor. Okay, so this sensor is faulty. That's why you are getting an exclamation mark at the front. So we are going to change the sensor. This is the sensor. This front number is constant, is the same. J5S will change based on your color. For silver is J5S. So this is the sensor. I got it from AliExpress. So this is how the sensor looks like. This sensor, there are 6 wires. So we are going to open up the bottom cover now. So basically we have lifted the car using this ramp. So we are going to go down now to open up the bottom cover. So as you can see on the top, there is no way you can access to the sensor. So one possible easy way is to remove the bottom cover. If you still cannot access the sensor, we got to open up the bumper. Okay, the cover has been taken out. It's just a matter of few clips and 8 size 10 screws all around. From underneath, we can see the sensor. So this is right inner, but that is not faulty. We are going to change this one. Right outer. So this is the sensor we are going to change. So we can see side by side comparison. The sensor, this is the faulty one, this is the new one. Okay, so you might be thinking why this is L, okay, and this is straight. So basically L1 is this guy, this side is straight. Okay, so but we have already purchased this, no problem. Wires is still the same and the wire is enough long, so we will use the L. To remove the sensor is rather very easy. Okay, there are 2 clips holding the sensor. One here, you can see this notch, and one more this notch. Okay, this notch. So what we need to do is press this down and push the sensor from the front. Okay, so you need to use 2 hands. So when you press this down and you push the sensor, one side will be tilted out. Then you do that for the same part for the on top. Press this on top and you push the sensor from here. Push it. It will come out rather very easily. So we are going to put the new sensor in. So this is the way. Just gently push it in. Okay, yes, it's already gone in. Just press and we are done. And the wire, just like that. Yes, it makes a click. So it already locked already. Okay, so sensor has been changed. Let's have a look at the front. So this is the view of the new sensor. This is the existing sensor. Right? So immediately after that, let's see, do we get the faulty sensor code. Okay, of course the front boot is open, right? So now if the P is on, immediately you will see the exclamation mark in front, but now we do not see. So let's put to reverse. All working well because everything came out. Okay, so let's do a simulation. Okay, test drive, everything is working. The back sensor, let's see the back sensor. Okay, so you can see it's working, all is working well. I hope the video helps. So till we meet again, checking out now from your Dr. DIY channel. Stay blessed and be passionate.